She might move on to rappers and ball players, but we all know I hit it first. I hop in the club and boppers show love, and I don't even put in work. I hit it, I hit it, I hit it first. I had her head going north and her ass going south, but now baby chose to go west. We deep in the building, she know that I'll kill him. I know that I hit it the best. Candles lit with that wine, money still on my mind, and I gave her that really bomb sex. No matter where she goes or who she knows, she still belongs in my bed. Going hard in the streets, mobbing with my homies, sipping on good, blowing on OG. Me and Ghost sitting clean with the matching rollie. I did that first, so everybody know me. Steady on at the top where we finna be. Apple juice and we mix it with the Hennessy. Give her no dough to come, but I gave her 10 to leave. I bet I hit it first, unless you took that girl virginity. First come, first served is all a player know, but I don't want to be a player no more. That's a lie. I'm way too fly. I love anything with ass that walk by. Yeah, you love her. Yeah, you hug her and you kiss her. She domed me up. She gave me face like some whiskers. Tia and Tamara's, I be knocking sisters. And I still hit while you lonely and you miss her. When I walk in the function, you already know I'm leaving with something. Girls know when I'm coming. I give a girl real proper loving. And if you were to come back to me, girl, I know just how you'd do me. And if you were to come back to me, girl, I know just why you'd choose me. And if you were to come back to me, girl, I'll get it wet jacuzzi. And if you were to come back to me, girl, we'll make another movie. I put her on. I put her on. I put that girl on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was Morgan Freeman hitting it with the chicks. So thanks for watching. Hope you like the creativity done here, and once again, thanks for watching.